mess in here. I just picked up this boat from Copart today. Sorry for the wind, by the way, it's a tornado out here. But I'm just going to be making a series here of me doing a little rebuild of it. It's a flood damaged vehicle. You'll be able to see that. Here's the major damage. Got a rudder that's broken out of there, so it's going to require some pretty good fiberglass work. It's 2013 Nautique 230 Team Edition with the NSS. That's another problem with it right here. I'm just gonna kind of give you all an overview of it right here and let y'all see everything that's wrong with it. You see down here, we got some scrapes along the edge, nothing too serious there. Let y'all see the inside of it here. All right, guys, so here's the inside. It's not very bad at all. The tower seems to be in good condition. I hooked up a battery tender to these, and most of the controls work on there. I still need the code to see if the link system works, which hope it works. That's going to be a pretty big cost here. Overall, the interior seems pretty good. The flood line doesn't seem too high in this. If anything, it just went about halfway up the motor, it looks like. Trying to see a before and after what the seats look like. They seem to be cleaning up pretty nice. Might have to use some mildew remover or something on those seats. Don't really know yet. Scrub pretty hard and still have that little ring around there, which isn't too bad, but I'd like to be pretty clean. So I'm gonna clean all these cushions and I'll be back with y'all whenever I get done with that. Guys, got most of the seats cleaned over there. Still working on a little bit in here. Only thing that I've done in the meantime is I have checked to see if there's any water in the gas tank, and the gas tank is completely dry. And I saw that there was an extra starter in here and a new starter on there, which kind of got me worried that this thing might be locked up. And so what my theory is here, we arc this screwdriver across the starter, it will tell us I have undone all the spark plugs. And so got the battery charger on there. Let's see if it will turn over. And that is exactly what I was looking for. That is very good news that this thing is not locked up. I'd already checked the oil too, and the oil was not milky at all. Transmission fluid also was not milky at all. Things are looking really, really good for this thing so far. That screen's the only thing. Still don't have the code for it. So can't really see if that's gonna work or not. I checked all the plugs on this whole engine and none of them have corrosion on them either. Alrighty, we'll see you later. Hey guys, had to cut the video short yesterday. Started raining on us here. Haven't done anything else really. Just a compression test on the cylinders and all of them were good. The lowest one was 155, which is still in spec, so we'll let that slide for right now. So next thing, I contacted a guy that works for Nautique, and he got me a master code for this thing today, and so we are going to see if it works. So here we go. I'm gonna put in a number here, super secret number. We'll hit start. That's a good sign. And this is very good too. If this thing works, this just saved me about $4 grand. Really hope this works. Let's wait for it to boot up here. Hey, the guy's name was Austin. It's awesome. Well, looks like everything's working on it. Don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm not gonna mess with it too much. Gonna have to fix this right here, this ramp. The cable for it's completely broken. Everything seems to be working just fine electronically on the boat. So next thing I'm gonna do is I've flushed the oil a couple times, and I'm gonna put this exhaust manifold on, and we're gonna see if she starts. So I'll get back with you then. All right, so here we are with the boat. I just took the swim platform off. Haven't really done much. I think it's did a days now since last recorded, but I haven't really done anything. I ordered a cover, waiting for it to come in. Thursday, today is Tuesday. Thursday we will be taking this thing to get all the fiberglass fixed, hopefully. Still trying to decide if I want to try to do this side over here myself or not. I'll figure that out tonight. Actually, I'll probably just see how much it is to get it fixed. If it's a ridiculous price, then I won't be using them. I'll try to fix it myself or take it somewhere else. But yeah, here we are. I'm actually just trying to get a little more cleaned up around the backs over here. I think this person had this thing sitting in the marina 24/7 because the bottom of the propeller was looked like it had been underwater for a while, and then the back of this thing was faded pretty bad. This is what it looks like after me going over it, wet sanding it with 3000 grit one time. So working on doing this whole thing, going all down it. The interior, still don't have it back in yet. Everything works though. I did find out that 2 of those speakers need to be replaced. Don't know if I already told you all that or not. And the front right speaker needs to be replaced. It's kind of intermittent, so I think I might just go ahead and buy some kicker speakers for the whole boat. Not too sure yet. Gonna get another one of these made right here. Can't just buy the one piece from what I've seen. And I'm gonna have to straighten this out just for right now. I mean, it works, but it's not pretty, so probably gonna buy another one. Only 150, 200 bucks for it, so probably just worth buying it and making it look pretty. So yeah, that's where we are with this, and I will come back. I don't even know if you can really see how bad. I mean, it's pretty faded everywhere, so gonna get some new tires on there on the way up to taking it to the place to get fiberglass at. I'm taking it to a place called Classic Fiberglass in Denton, Texas. They've got really good reviews. Everyone says they take all their stuff there. They do the best for color matching, things like that. So want this thing looking new. And another thing, I'll take y'all over here. It's kind of a mess, sorry. Is I started messing around with this. There was 2 studs broken off, or what I thought. And turns out it was just dirt daubers, and so I just drilled them out, or not drilled them, but I just took a little toothpick and got all the dirt out, and then put studs in it, and we're good to go. So good on that. There's the rest of the interior right there. Sorry, my garage is a mess. So that's where we are with the boat right now. Yeah, nothing. Actually been getting pretty lucky so far. Everything's been working. It fired up. You know, I really just probably gonna go ahead and replace the impellers, stuff like that, waiting for some few things to come in for it. I don't know how long it's gonna take for that cover to come in with the COVID going on right now and everything like that. Thinking it was gonna be the end of this month, so 2 or 3 weeks before I get that. Yeah, probably gonna tint the windshield on it, not too sure yet. You know, just depends who will do it, how much. Because this technically is a budget build for a new boat, but done right. So, alrighty, I will let y'all see what this looks like whenever I get done.
Alright guys, so I actually took this thing down to get the fiberglass fixed on it, get the rudder fixed, and they told me I needed to take the motor out. So I didn't have my camera with me or anything to film or anything like that, so I brought it home and immediately just started getting this motor out to get it done as quick as I could. So this is timeline right here, or time lapse is going to be a wrap for this video. And yeah, so please like and subscribe. It's my first video, so we're going to try to get a little better production quality out of the next couple. I need to invest in a better mic. So yeah, stick around for part 2. All right, thanks.